Hello friends, my name is Sankalp and today I am going to tell you everything you need to know about Tableau Make or Monday challenges. If you have just done the basic course in Tableau and want to explore your skills, then doing the Make or Monday challenge is the best thing you can do. So let's start the video. First thing you need to do is get the data and read the article. The data is uploaded on data.world site on every Sunday evening. From there you have to download the data. For that, go to Participate and click on the datasets. Here you can see every week's dataset. So you can download the dataset and start doing your preparations. For this video, I have selected week 25 dataset on Amazon's Tiny Profits Explained. On data.world, we will find our dataset. So this is the graph we are going to improve. Go to the source article of this graph. Reading the source article is always considered as a good practice as it gives good insights about our data. And because of it, you can tell your stories effectively. Go to the source article. Here you can see your graph. Read the source article and come back to the data.world site. Here, from about this dataset, download the dataset. You will see the dataset like this: quarter, revenue US in million, net income US in million. So you have to visualize this data and tell your story. This was the story I told about this dataset. Here you can see one extra parameter which was not present in our dataset, which is free cash flow. So where did it come from? So this is why I selected this dataset. There are times when your dataset cannot tell the story properly. In those cases, reading the data source article really helps. I gathered the data of free cash flow from the data article. From this graph, I extracted it. So you can add your own dataset or own story according to your needs, as long as it's true. Now after gathering all the data, create your dashboard. So this was my dashboard. If you want to know how I created it, click on the card above. Now that you have created the dashboard, again go to the Make or Monday website. Now you have to submit this dashboard. So what can you do about it? First go to Participate and click on Submit. Here you can submit your dashboard. Then click on Submission Tracker. Here you can track your progress. But those options are not so important. What important is to publish your visualization. You can publish it on Facebook or WhatsApp groups, Telegram, LinkedIn, anywhere you want. But I personally recommend Twitter. Upload your dashboard with hashtag #MakeOverMonday and tag these two people, TryMyData and Charlie H. Tableau. These are the authors of Tableau Make or Monday. If you are submitting before Wednesday, then you can add hashtag #MMVisReview in your post. If you are lucky enough, you can feature in the weekly webinar where these two authors gives the reviews about your dashboard. Here you can see submissions of many people who do Make or Monday challenges. These submissions are really great and I recommend you to view at it. Most important part about these submissions is all the authors upload their dashboard links to the Tableau public profile. Here you can see find out more and there is a link to the Tableau public profile. From here you can download these worksheets and look how the author created this worksheet. Do not copy these worksheets. Just take an inspiration and create your own visuals and build your own style. I really recommend doing these challenges to the people who have just completed the basic courses in Tableau. It will be a great opportunity to showcase your talents. and test your skills. This is my Tableau public profile. Here you can see my dashboards. This is my Tableau Make or Monday group. Here you can upload your dashboards and get the feedback from other people. This is my YouTube channel. Just go to playlist, go to Viz with me playlist, and here you can see how I create my Make or Monday challenges. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more of such interesting content.